Hi there, my name is Dave Pannell, real estate broker here in North Texas, Dallas, Fort Worth. The reason why I'm making this video, if you know probate, let's share your stories, your experience, your expertise in the Dallas Fort Worth market. Whether you're a probate attorney, even divorce attorney, if you have legal knowledge about the probate process, experiences with the probate process, if you're in a state sale company, title rep, a vendor who helps with estate sales or roofing or provide handyman services to seniors, we'd like to talk to you. Your experience matters. And if you're in Dallas, Fort Worth, where we can recommend a family to call you, we'd love to have you on our podcast. We'd love to hear your stories, your experiences right here on our YouTube channel. You know, why join us? It's free. Number one, it's not going to cost you a penny. And first of all, I'm a marketer with a real estate license. I've always said that. We have to be able to get the word out. And over the time and experience of doing this, I've learned a lot of things about the different platforms and getting the word out. So probate, dealing with inherited properties, can feel overwhelming for most families. If it's not a single heir or double heir, or it's just a delayed process for most people. And it could take months to get through the court process, and most families don't understand it. So if you're a professional who works in the space, especially an attorney, people like you have insight about what you like to generally help with, your experiences, your stories, anything you could share. I want to give you an opportunity to join me on my podcast, and I have my calendar link down in the description. If this is found on YouTube, Facebook, or LinkedIn, or if you're on my website, you found my link to Cities Real Estate, and you found the page, there's a link in the description to schedule a time with me. I want you to know that it's, just a space to talk freely about your experiences, your stories, that you've helped clients, a chance for you to just share anything that you feel comfortable sharing. My number one goal is to just educate homeowners and families on what to do during the process when they feel overwhelmed, where they could get help from. For you, I like to build visibility for your name, your law office, your handyman service, your roofing business, your senior moving company for estate sales. We're going to continue building our audience, and your video and your podcast will live on our YouTube channel forever. There will be no got you questions, no pressure, just genuine conversation that you and I could share that will go out to the world, and hopefully it'll generate business for you. What to expect? This is going to be friendly, low key. Think of it like a coffee chat. It's things that you see on YouTube. Just people having conversation about their stories, their experiences, things to watch out for. There's lots of different angles about probate and inherited properties, how to sell properties. Every episode will be shared, promoted on social media channels. I pay for paid promotion on ads on YouTube. It's going to be on Spotify, Apple, everywhere I could share it and get your word out. But the content that we come up with will be invaluable to people in probate now, people that have completed, and then people, unfortunately, that will enter and file and have to work through it in Dallas Fort Worth. And I want to be right there to help them sell a house if they're selling a house as is. And then if you're an attorney that they like, they can reach out to you. Or a vendor, someone that they may need your skills, your knowledge, your time, and they're willing to pay you for it. We'd love to hear your point of view. Every attorney I've talked to has a different angle on probate and what they kind of client they refer to. Vendors that bring different perspective to probate. Maybe you've seen some common mistakes families make. I certainly have. And maybe you could help us avoid those mistakes and simplify the process through your legal knowledge, your title knowledge. We'd love to meet you and talk to you about it. If you're ready to schedule with us, there's usually a calendar link in my YouTube description or on our webpage. There's links that you could find us and find a time on your calendar that fits ours. We usually do them from 10:30 to 2:30, Monday through Friday, and then have our editor publish them at no cost to you. Just something to get your presence out there, maybe earn you some extra business, and get, instead of someone reading about probate online, we could share this to people going through probate that help them figure out their family dynamic and help them through the process. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the podcast soon. My name is Dave Pannell, real estate broker here in Dallas, Fort Worth, and I can't wait to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you. Bye-bye.